Land and water corridors have unique communities of plants and animals living in or near rivers, streams, lakes, and other bodies of water. They serve a variety of functions important to both people and the environment. Where these lands and waters come together, living things gather in abundance. These unique areas often occupy less than 1% of the landscape, yet they are some of the most diverse, dynamic, and complex places on Earth. Over 70% of all land animals use these corridors, including many threatened and endangered species. The American people have entrusted 12 million acres of these lands and waters to the care and stewardship of the U.S. Army Corps of Engineers. With the total shoreline around Corps Lakes exceeding the entire coastline of the lower 48 states, a multitude of diverse habitats are available for fish, birds, mammals, insects, amphibians, reptiles, and yes, humans. Striving to balance the needs of people with those of nature, the Corps of Engineers is the largest federal provider of outdoor recreation in the nation, overseeing 4,300 recreational areas at 420 lakes in 43 of the 50 states. Corps lakes and parks offer an array of recreational opportunities, and the Corps' mission includes flood damage reduction, water supply, hydropower, navigation, and natural resources management. Like much of the nation's infrastructure, Corps facilities are aging. Many park amenities are deteriorating and do not meet today's recreational standards and needs. Recognizing the pressure that increased funding limitations is having on Corps-managed public lakes and waterways, Our Lands and Waters Foundation was established to nurture partnering opportunities between the Corps and appropriate groups and individuals, and to build awareness of the need for public support and stewardship. The nonprofit organization will assist in the management of parks and provide services and funding to repair, renovate, and enhance aging facilities. As our population grows, so does the demand for quality facilities, recreational opportunities, and educational experiences. With budget constraints, the Corps does not have enough funding. This is where your help is vital. Become involved through membership, contributions, or volunteering with Our Lands and Waters Foundation. Help ensure that parks and our natural resources remain available for present and future generations. Remember, outdoor recreation enriches us all.